my god. I'm so sad, dude. It wasn't even like a day. Oh, bro. Well, this is going to be the first mod for the WRX in a very long time. It almost feels like it's been a very long time. Also, I'm recording on my phone right now. We'll be switching over to the main camera pretty soon. I'm just charging it up right now. But if you guys noticed, I don't have a bike anymore. It got stolen. It got stolen, so I don't have a bike no more. But we're doing a bunch of insurance things right now, so hopefully I can get a new bike. But if not, we're gonna go crazy on this thing. And we're still gonna go crazy on it, but it's all right. So today we're actually going to do an oil change and install the front lip on the WRX. I didn't even tell you guys I got a front lip. I got a new front lip for the WRX, and we're gonna be installing that as well as doing an oil change because the car is due for an oil change. So we're gonna be doing that. But first, let's clear out some space and move the car in. We got some good old Valvoline here that we're gonna be installing or adding to the car, replacing, I guess. And as for the front lip is actually an Extreme online store lip. I actually wanted it because I saw my buddy Jim got it, and the front lip actually looks really good. And I know something that I've always been battling is having the front end look lower. Because if you look at my ride height here, my rear ride height sits pretty low. Well, it's aired up right now, but compared to when it is ride height, my rear fitment is actually super low, and the front fitment isn't as low because kind of hit some stuff here, but it still looks pretty good. But the front lip, this front lip specifically, doesn't really get low. I mean, it's lower than the stock bumper, but the Extreme online store bumper comes really low, and it basically gives the illusion that your car is lower, and it kind of touches the floor when we air out. So I'll show you guys that when we install it. But I think I'm gonna wait until Matthew or like Andy gets here to help me out, because I really hate installing lips by myself because kind of gotta hold stuff and use tape, and it gets pretty difficult. So I think I'm just gonna wait for them. But in the meantime, let's do the oil change and let's knock that right out. Always gotta throw yourself in gear like that. And a little bit of an issue here, it's not gonna go under, so we're gonna have to drop the rear just a little bit. There we go. It's hot as fuck. While we're here, you guys can see my front lip is pretty thrashed. It's got some cracks in it. Also, it came a little too short, so we ended up drilling from the inside of the bumper into the front lip because it doesn't reach. Look at that. And the other side is actually the other side's hanging on by a thread. So this lip sucks, and it makes sense because it is an eBay lip, and I bought it for like $100 because I knew I was gonna thrash on it anyways. So it's whatever. But now that I have bags and new front lip, and I can adjust ride height and all that stuff, time to get a new lip. A little bit more expensive, but I did get it just because it looks a little better and it's cooler. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Oh, it's still pretty hot, god. If you guys are wondering why I have a Toyota oil filter, it is because, well, Matthew, Jan, and Justin, they all work at Toyota, and well, the Toyota filters are actually compatible with the WRX, and they can get it for pretty cheap for me, so I just might as well use it. Big discount. It's like we got this for what, I don't know, $5 or something. So perks of having homies that work at a car dealership. Wow, we are down here. And something I installed onto the car is actually a oil drain, so I don't have to undo the thing anymore, or use like a get a new washer every time. All I really need to do is I just need to remove this safety pin right here, just like this, and I just need to line up. So boom, just like that, and all I gotta do is pull this out like this and came down, and there comes all the oil, just like that. Really easy. A lot of people complain because this does take a little while longer, but the thing is, it just makes oil changes so much more easy because all I'm really doing is removing his pin and then just flipping a little switch, and all the oil is just draining out. and it comes out in a really smooth stream, so it doesn't kind of splash everywhere. So yeah. All right, guys, switch back over to the main camera here, so we can tell the difference because it's not 0.5 no more. Don't need that. Probably give this to Matthew. Here is the oil filter, another Toyota one. Here it is. Alright, everybody, it's been a minute. We haven't seen Andy's car in a little bit, but we're actually gonna do the lip in a little bit after we go eat. We're gonna eat first. But Andy actually just built the Evo. So the Evo's pushing, he got it tuned and everything. So it's pushing 400. So we're gonna, it's my first time seeing how this bad boy feels. Yo, what the fuck? Everybody, backup has arrived. We jacked up the car here. Now we're going to install the front lip, but first let's unbox this front lip. All right, Andy, let's take that lip out, my boy. Oh, bruh.
Go exactly right under here.
Oh, hell nah.
Lip on lip. I have a tongue now.
Bro, that's Bosozuku. Wow, look at that. It's shiny.
Mine.
we have different front bumpers though. I don't think it would like fit. Oh, never mind, it would fit.
Mine.
The thing is low. It already looks low. Like,
Okay. we take the lip off and think.
Alright, cut. What the fuck?
Finally got the other lip out. We're about to put on this lip. The lip is put on.
What the hell? Hello. Jesus. You guys see this? Look how low it is now. Compared to the other one. I don't know if you guys saw, but like, there's just so much lip to this. Look at that. I don't mind. Alright, just slap this bad boy on. Alright, we didn't end up recording installing the lip just because we're screwing in both and stuff. Ooh, wait. Does it make it? Ooh, it does. Ooh. Ah. Ooh.
Goddamn. Looks nice.
Oh boy, it's what makes a Subaru a Subaru. Alright guys, sorry about the wind. I forgot to bring the air muff. It is the next day, and here is the lip installed. Look at it. I mean, you guys can probably already tell the difference from the other lip that, wait, there's no way. I already cracked it, dude. Oh my god. What the fuck? No. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I already cracked it. Fuck me. Anyways, you guys probably already tell the difference that it's slower. God damn it. Oh my god. I'm so sad, dude. It wasn't even like a day. Oh my god. Oh, we can't have nice things and this sucks, bro. Dude. Anyways, whatever. Minus it being cracked already. It looks super low already compared to the other lip. Reaches pretty low when I air out. It almost reaches the floor. I'm so sad. What the fuck? I don't even want to look at my car no more, bro. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Dude, maybe if I walk over here, it looks okay, from here it don't look too bad. The wind is kind of kicking up, so I'll put my hand right here for you guys. So I don't really know what to say about the lip other than it's glossy, sits way lower, and it's cracked. God. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you guys for watching. I think we just hit 2,700 subscribers, and it's slowly growing still, surprisingly, and pretty proud of that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys made it this far, appreciate you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.